Hey everybody, it's Josh from Written Out Loud. We are having an open house on Thursday, September 5th. If you are the parent of a child who is creative and gets it and loves stories, but they are just not engaged with ELA, with English, with writing, which may be the fault of the actual instruction and not your child, I would definitely urge you to come to this open house. This is very common, and many of our students who now absolutely love writing and who have become published authors many times over, they began as dissatisfied English students with a real love for storytelling in their hearts, and Written Out Loud really does give them a place to play. The other kind of person that really thrives here at Written Out Loud is the child who adores writing, but they don't have kindred spirits. They don't have their people. And that, above all else, is what Written Out Loud is really becoming. It is becoming a community of the best young writers in the world. So if your child is between the ages of 8 and 17, between roughly 3rd grade and 12th grade, and if they hit one of those boxes that I just mentioned, I would definitely encourage you to come to our open house and let's just talk about it. I look forward to meeting you there. I'll be hosting it on Thursday, September 5th. The registration numbers, the registration details are right below.